Today we are going to do a science experiment on osmosis. To understand osmosis, we first need to understand what is a solute, solvent and a solution. Take a teaspoon of salt and try mixing it in a glass of water. You will see that the salt has dissolved in the water. Now taste it. Now take 2 glasses of water and to the first glass add 1 teaspoon of salt and stir. To the other glass add 2 teaspoons of salt and stir. First glass and second glass. Now let me stir in my first glass. Stir properly. The first glass has a solution with a low concentration, and the second glass has a solution with high concentration. Magic. Apparatus required: big measuring beaker, glass bowl, water and some raisins. Steps: in a glass bowl, pour 100 ml of water using the big measuring beaker. To the water, add some raisins and wait for 6 hours and note your observation. After 6 hours, you will observe that the 3 raisins have swollen up. They have sewed up due to osmosis that took place in the above experiment. This takes place in water, seeps through the skin of the raisins. The skin of the raisins acts as permeable membranes. The water actually is absorbed by the cells of raisins called the endoosmosis.